Hey guys, welcome.
Hi.
Today we're going into TJ Maxx and we're going to do some retail arbitrage. Let's see what we can find.
Yeah.
Come on. So when we come here, we love to hit the clearance aisles, especially, of course. We're going to find the best deals there. Last time we were here, we found some really great deals on coffee that sold out really quick.
It was crazy.
So we want to definitely find some of that. We got some coffee behind us. Let's see if we have that certain one. And we're going to scan for good sell-through rates to find the best deals. Let's do it. Now, unfortunately, we didn't find the same brand of coffee that has sold well for us, but at only $8 a bag for 2 pounds nearly, we're gonna try out both of these brands for ourselves. And though we didn't find anything to flip in the food aisle, we were still feeling optimistic because we still had a whole store of home goods and clothing and toys to check out. Here are some FootJoy golf socks. These are $6 for, there's 4 sets of them, and these have a 50% sell-through rate, and we should get $18 or so free shipping for these. And we'll double our money on these especially, so we'll grab all 4 of those. Also over here, they want $8 a piece for these nice little Nintendo Switch cases here, but I mean, you only get $14, but they have a 100% sell-through rate. We would love to grab them, but there's just no meat on the bone there. I found some socks. You know how we love socks and underwear, some FootJoys, so I'm gonna throw these in the cart. Oh, it looks like you have some underwear picked out. We're gonna scan these.
Yep.
Awesome, let's get to it.
This is called the Bling Colossal for a reason. Check this thing out.
Right? Oh my gosh.
I actually kind of, in a weird way, like it.
I know, right? But it does cost $24. We're actually seeing that when these do sell, they go for anywhere from $40 to $100, but they have a terrible sell-through rate, so we're just going to leave them behind, unfortunately. But wow, we did scan all of these underwears here, and we found some that we're definitely going to pick up. Now these we picked up before, these exact same brand. We don't need to scan these even. We know that they're good. These sort of like jersey shirts here, t-shirts, are pretty cool. X-Temp, Hanes, these have around 100% sell-through rate, so we're going to definitely pick these up. And at $8, we're going to be able to double our money at least. And also, I've never heard of this brand before, but a pair of thieves, these boxer briefs here, also for $6. They have a really great sell-through rate, and we'll be able to double, triple our money on these as well. So, oh my gosh, nice work, honey, on finding the section that we love, the underwear and socks. We're gonna go try to find some more.
I need some women's underwear and socks.
Let's go find them.
Okay.
And we can't skip the clothes section. You know, we like to sell jeans especially. I know I do. And for $16, these classic Wrangler, I mean, that's always a good brand. These vintage boots here have a 50% or more sell-through rate. And at, let's see, $16, we can double our money, no problem. I think we'll have to grab these. Found a pair of jeans with an awesome sell-through rate, but even cooler is I found this granny square shirt.
No way.
Now, I mean, we might have to take this home and put it in our closet, your personal closet.
Pretty cool.
Here are a few Hello Kitty t-shirts. These are always very popular, and at $4 a piece, we're going to be able to triple, probably quadruple our money on these ones here. Oh my gosh, look at that, $4. Take all 3.
So here I am in the underwear section of the women's wear, and the clearance section is always such a good place to go and find multiple packs of underwear. I found some Juicy Couture, I found some Lucky Brand, I found some great things. I can't wait to show you guys.
Here's kind of a surprising toy. This custom helmet racer here is being sold for $4 and surprisingly goes for about $20 on eBay. And we're definitely gonna grab that. Let's hope there's some more. We've actually found a couple of these Sonic the Hedgehog play sets at Kohl's when we've been there. This is a different one, and this one actually sells for a little bit more. This goes for around $25, $30, and it's coming up around Christmas time. That's even better. And for what is this? $6? Oh my gosh, we'll take that.
I love to just jump into the women's clearance underwear and get lost there. Look what I found. I found some Vince Camuto, a 3-pack of little bralettes, which are really worth a lot, especially these, because women don't want to wear underwears anymore, so these are great, and they're on sale for
$13.
$13.
And those are the Nautica brands. We just sold a 3-pack of Nauticas not too long ago, so we know those are going to be good.
Yeah, and then we've got some dance skin, same kind of thing.
Awesome.
And
what are we getting for those there? Let's see, $13 for those as well.
$13, and these are like sets of 3.
Mm-hmm.
Here's some really great underpants from Tahari. These are thongs. If you haven't checked these out, you have to. And we got a full set of these for $8.
Oh my gosh, yeah.
Yeah, this might be the best price on the underpants so far.
Yeah, and we've had a really good luck selling Tahari underpants.
Yeah, we found more Tahari.
Okay.
And then we got some Lucky.
Lucky brand. That's awesome. And those, well, we're getting the Lucky brands, I think, for
around $10 bucks.
Yep, $10 for all these, pretty much. Oh, there's 2 sets of those.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's see here. $8 for the Lucky brand sets. That is awesome because we checked out all of the sell-through rates and what we're going to be able to get for all of these, and we're going to be doubling to tripling our money on each and every one of these sets. And honey, you very diligently scanned and looked through all of these, checking for all the good brands and the best deals. So nice work, hon.
Counting our blessings.
Mm-hmm. We are super grateful indeed for everything that we've found so far. We're going to continue scanning, and Michelle even had a hard time finding something in the cosmetics, which she knows a lot about. We just kept on roaming around, went through all the different departments. I think we scoured everything there was to flip. Now we're just gonna head to the checkout. We have a few things for personal use, like the coffee and some food items that are just too great of a deal to pass up.
Yes.
And this whole cart full of stuff. Let's see what we paid for all this. Oh my gosh, we almost made it through the gauntlet.
I can't.
We almost made it.
I might have to go back. How are you? Thank you for being so patient with us and all of our underwear. Take care.
All right, guys, so we ended up getting 21 items, as it says right there, for $165.66 for a total of $7.88 per item, which is actually about twice what we would normally pay during arbitrage. But we came across all of this good stuff that we're going to double our money, maybe even triple. So we're pretty happy with that. Well, guys, thanks for joining us on this retail arbitrage adventure once again. I think we killed it. I mean, we spent a little more than our average price doing arbitrage, but again, we got some really great products.
So many name brand great things that we can flip for awesome profit.
Yeah, and the great sell-through rates. That's why we picked them, So do your due diligence, get that sell-through rate, and get some good products yourselves, guys. And when you do, congratulations.
Yeah, happy arbitrage.
Yeah, hats up to you.
Maybe Alma needs a new toy.
Maybe.